Hello everyone. Today we will see if function in Excel. So let's start. This is our data set. Let's zoom in first. Okay. Here we can see students ID, different students name and their respective marks on a particular test. So why if is used? If is used to work with different conditions. So let's use it for a single condition, then we will use for multiple conditions. So here the first thing is any students will be passed if he or she gets 40 or above 40 or more than 40. Okay, so let's start with if, then this value is greater than or equal to 40. So our condition is done. Now the result, if, then logical test, this is our logical test, then there is a comma, so comma is given, then what will be the result? If this is true, he or she will be pass, and then comma, then what will be the result if the value it is not true, then he or she will be failed. Okay, note one thing, that we have used inverted comma uh, to express the text, because all the text values we have to type under inverted comma. Okay, then closing bracket for this one and enter, drag across, so the whole thing is done. uh, John got above 40, so he is passed. Alice got less than 40, that's why she is failed. Both of them, Mia and Vieri, is passed. So this is the use of if condition uh, based on a single condition. Okay, now we will use if in a formula using multiple conditions. Okay, so here we will see the grades of different students. Any students who gets uh, less than 40, he will get an F. If he gets 40 to 59, he will get C. If he gets 60 to 79, he will get B. Or if he gets 80 to 100, he will or she will get A grade. So there are four conditions here. So let's start with if, first bracket. So what is the logical test? This mark, if this thing is above or equal to 80, then now we have to give the result, that is grade A. Okay, so our condition is given, result is given, but we will not close the bracket because we have to give four conditions, only first condition is done. So give, and to give another condition, just after giving a comma, start with if again. So after typing if, start with a first bracket, then again if this value is greater than or equal to 60. Okay, if you get 60 or more than 60, you will get B. So here we can type 60, and now the result, that is B grade. So our condition is done, logical test is done, and value if true is done. We are not including value if false, this is a optional, we will include that at last. So if anybody gets 60 or more than 60, he will be awarded with B. Okay, so our condition and result is done, comma, now another if start with opening bracket, the same value, if it is greater than or equal to what, 40. If anybody gets 40 or more than 40, then our logical test is done. Then what is the value? Value will be C. Okay, everything is done, comma. Now for the fourth condition, we don't need to start with if again, because everywhere we included only true value, true value, true value. So if the value doesn't meet any of this, then we can say that in else category. That is, if this is the condition, he will get A. If this is the condition, he will get B. If this is the condition, he will get C. Else he will get an F. So all the condition is done. Now you see, uh, we have to give this bracket as a closing bracket of this bracket, then again another first bracket as a closing bracket of for this bracket, and finally another bracket as a closing bracket for this one. So everything is done. Click OK. We have our desired result based on four criterias. Here we can see John got A, Tom got 77, that's why B, Alice is F, Mia is 65, that is Mia is under this category B, and Vieri is 58, and Vieri is under this category, Vieri is C. So this is how we can use if in Excel formulas for single and multiple conditions. That's all for today. Thank you very much.